Hey guys, welcome back to another alphabet pattern video. So in previous videos we have seen how to draw A letter and B letter in stars using Python. So in this video we are going to see how to draw C letter using stars in Python. In previous videos we have used list to draw these stars. Here also we have used list to draw these stars. So this logic is only specific to Python programming language. There is no list in C or C++. So in this video we are going to use the logic which is compatible with all the programming languages like C and C++. So let's get started. This is how our C letter looks like. So there are 4 columns and 7 rows. So let us first write for loops. So there are 4 columns starting with the number 0, 1, 2, 3. So this would be 4. So now let us use if else condition. If row number is 0 or row number is 6, then we have to print stars in the column number 1, 2, 3, that is column numbers above 0. So if row is equal to 0 or row is equal to 6 and this and column number is above 0, column number greater than 0 and column number less than or equal to 3. Then we have to print star, and have to use end parameter. Now again we have to use condition for this. So if column number is 0 and row number from 1 to 5, then we have to print stars in those rows. So column equal to 0 and row number greater than or equal to 1 and row number less than or equal to 5. Then we have to print stars. If both of these conditions are not satisfied, then else print blank space. After this one loop is completed, again print blank space. Now let us run and see the program. You can see our C letter here. You can also use this condition in this if statement itself instead of using another elif. For that we have to use OR function, and let me copy and paste this here. Now we can remove this and let me run this. You can see the output. Now let us see how to draw the same program in C programming language with the same logic. I have used this online code editor called onlinegdb.com. This has a list of many programming languages which we can select. So this is a C programming language I have selected, and I have already typed the code in C programming language. So let us compare this and our Python program. So you can see both the codes here. In C language, this is the OR operator and this is the AND operator. So row is equal to 0 or row is equal to 6, row is equal to 0 or row is equal to 6, and column greater than 0 and column less than or equal to 3. So this is the logic we have used in the C programming language. And this slash n is used to print go to the next line. In C programming, printf will not print every statement in the new line. It will print all the statements in the same line. So let me execute this. Yeah, you can see the C letter here. Thank you guys for watching the video.